I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is FluentCRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is Create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Now here search and select Copper CRM. Give a name. For API email and API key, please visit Copper CRM dashboard. Click on Setting. Now click on Integrations. Then click API key. Click on Generate API key. Copy API email and API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integration successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to FluentCRM dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Create contact. Contact added successfully. Now go to Copper CRM dashboard and refresh the page. You can see record created in People module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.